So you want to build a WordPress website with Hostinger, but you're not sure where to start? Well, you came to the right place. With this WordPress tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how to build a website fast, easy, and the right way. But before we start, I'll need you to sign up for a subscription. Luckily, if you don't have one, I left a special limited time discount in the description. All you got to do is click the provided link, or you can just scan this QR code on screen if that's more convenient for you. All right, for this tutorial, I'll be using Hostinger because it's arguably one of the most affordable and beginner-friendly hosting options there is. It offers 3 plans that are compatible with any project that you might have in mind. Now, you may be wondering which plan is your one and only, the one you've been yearning for. While the premium plan is great for single sites and blogs, the business plan is what I like to call universal, offering more sites and storage, and the cloud startup is the best for e-commerce. So if you want to set up your store, that's the plan for you. Personally, I'd recommend the business plan. The price jump from premium is really barely noticeable, and it has just way more features, such as the AI Builder and AI Agent for WordPress. And once you head to checkout with your chosen plan, you'll be presented with billing options. So the best value comes from the longest billing period provided. So if you want to save money, definitely pick the plan that's the year plan, and below the billing options you can put in your domain. If you're not sure about the name, you can always pick one later, but keep in mind that some domain names might be taken. So to combat this brain cell killing problem, Hostinger has created a domain name generator, or alternatively, you can get AI extensions, suggestions, so you really don't need to think too hard if your chosen domain name ended up being taken. And before you buy, make sure that after clicking the link, the Hostinger coupon code is applied. So once you've bought the plan, all that's left to do is sign up. And if WordPress is your canvas, the H panel is your color palette. This is your dashboard where you'll be managing all aspects of your hosting account. Now, this may look a little confusing at first, but the H panel is pretty easy to get the hang of once you take your time to explore all the main sections like website, domain, and home. But let's get to the fun part of this WordPress website tutorial, the website building. Now, once you click Add a Website and choose WordPress, you're going to be presented with 2 options: create a website with AI or use pre-made templates. Now, the AI is best for immediate functional site generation that requires minimal effort from the user. But the modern looking templates offer really better design control, especially if you're very particular about what you want. So for the sake of this WordPress tutorial for beginners, I'm going to choose the templates. The 2025 theme is my personal favorite at the moment, so it's the one I'm going to choose. The best thing about Hostinger is that no matter what you choose, template or AI, the setup is going to be simple regardless. It's something like filling out a form. The same goes for plugins. Hostinger provides you with recommended plugins, so your head start is going to be as smooth as possible in order to avoid a bare WordPress instance. It's also worth noting that you get 2 editors, Elementor and Gutenberg. Elementor is a third-party drag-and-drop live front-end editor plugin that replaces the default block-based WordPress editor, Gutenberg. But you don't need to think about this too much at the moment, as you can change the editors really at any time you want. So now you've chosen a theme and you're finally ready to create a blog design. There are many features here, but to build the bare foundation, you only need to know a few. To start off, posts will be the basis for your entire content. Once you click Add Post, you get the complete freedom to write anything you'd like, along with the ability to design the content any way your little heart might desire. Okay, now back to the menu tab. Pages are basically the layout of your website. You can add, delete, and adjust the placement of the pages. And if you want to customize the said page, all you got to do is pick the one that you'd like to edit and click on it. The WordPress block editor in this part of the journey is your go-to. You can adjust the text size, color, and font, as well as the background, border, or dimensions of the element of your choosing. To avoid giving your WordPress website an identity crisis, you probably want to add a logo. All you got to do is go back to your dashboard, head onto Appearance, then Customize, and here you're going to land on the Site Identity section. All you have to do is click Select Logo and upload an image. But if you don't have a logo that you want to use, Hostinger has a free logo generator that you can use for credits, which you get when you get a plan. Now, one of the most important features in this Hostinger tutorial is the plugins. You can add as many plugins as you want with a simple click. My piece of advice would be to check the reviews and update information on each plugin you install to avoid outdated tools. And if you're going to download plugins from a third-party source, make sure that the source is trusted. And if you end up running into problems, the AI troubleshooter is going to fix most of the errors that you encounter. But if that doesn't work, Cody could be your saving grace. And really, that's all it takes to install WordPress in Hostinger. So to summarize this Hostinger tutorial, how to build a website has never been easier with Hostinger offering seamless onboarding and a beginner-friendly, intuitive layout. And if you're interested, make sure to grab the exclusive discount in the description. Also, if you want more WordPress tutorial videos, hey, feel free to comment and make sure to like and subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.